Good afternoon, guys. And this is Q on the 1 minute time frame, and this one I'm looking at so far. So just on the 1 minute, I'll be starting from the lower time frame going to the higher, right? Now on the 1 minute, I can see a one-sided landing session, so I'm expecting price to get to at least 50% of the landing range, right? And what satisfies my day is when price gets to this particular high. So let me put my eye emoji right above this point. I want to see price get to that point before market close today, right? But yeah, to take a trade, today I'll be looking for 50 to 75 handles. That's my target. Then let's check the 5 minute time frame and see if it aligns. 5 minute time frame has a similar narrative, so you can see how this range has been one-sided. So obviously, we'll be having some sort of retracement. You can see how they sold the sell side liquidity before making that move back inside the range. And if that move is to hold, that can be our narrative to go inside quickly 1 hour. I would have liked it better if this 1 hour candle swept the previous 1 hour candle. That would have given me more confluence or more confidence in this trade because I know that liquidity has been taken. Because taking a trade back to this range, we know that at some point in time they might reverse back to the lows. And I don't like to look at my back when I'm in a trade. So on the daily too, daily is sweeping a daily high, the previous daily high, that's Friday's high. So if they maintain that particular sweep, they can go the way for this low. So daily profile is looking bearish, but I want to be a short-term buyer. But as the trader that I am, if they are going to switch the narrative, I just have to adapt. So I have an expectation in mind, but then I'm not a market maker, so I have to kind of submit to what they want to do at that specific point. So that also make money on the move. Okay, so I think we have like 3 minutes more to our trading time. Alright, so yeah. Leslie, can you hear me?
Yeah, I could hear.
What do you see?
They are not getting any hard buyers. Sales are valid, buys are valid. We have a small opening range gap too, so let's see how they react to it.
Alright. So you have one more candlestick to the to 9:30. Yeah. And let's see how that goes. My only hope is they don't move aggressively without us. My only hope is 9:30's move is not very, very exaggerated. If they have to sweep liquidity, they should make that quick. 5 seconds. And we have 9:30's candlestick, so we can see how they are respecting this particular sell side liquidity low to the tick. It tells us that that's not random at all, and they'll be willing to continue higher, hopefully. So they just did about 32 handles in the direction I was anticipating. Okay, so why am I not being kicked in? Let's be patient on this candlestick. Okay, what's going on? So we are having a sweep of 9:30 highs, but then I don't trust it as a sweep yet, so I'm being patient. Okay, so I'm looking at sales from here. Since we are breaching 9:30 lows, I'm looking at sales. Our target can be our ORG settlement price. But as usual, if we clock like some 50 handles, we can close. So let's see if this move holds. That's like 890 handles. That's crazy. Now, if they do sweep 9:30 highs, then yeah, it's over for us. They're taking our stop loss. And that's what it looks like right now. So yeah, there's this tiny inverse fair value gap, and that's the last line of defense. If they disrespect it, straight to stop loss. if they do respect it, we have hopes that they want to come lower. So this is the inverse fair value gap I'm talking about. And yeah, indeed they are respecting it. So yeah, we want them to maintain the same momentum coming lower. And let's see. So I think I'll take my profit at 50 handles today. This is okay. Now with the stop loss, I would advise we roll it right to this high, because if they get back to that high, that means you are totally wrong. So let's move our stop loss from that specific point to that high. What we don't want to see, if they really want to go to our target, is what's happening. We wanted to see a body close here before moving lower. So yeah, that's too many rejections for them. If they really want to go to the objective we want to see them go to. Okay, so that's stop loss for me. And that concludes my day basically. Not sure I'll be studying anything going lower.